Truck arrives. Boxes are waiting. The clock is ticking. But one mistake in receiving goods can cause big problems. Wrong items, missing stock, or production delays. So how do you handle incoming items the right way? In this lesson, you'll learn simple real English used in factories to check the delivery note, confirm quantity, inspect condition, and update the system correctly. No complicated grammar. Just practical communication you can use at work. Immediately. Let's get started.
Truck just backed in. Let's start receiving goods.
Okay, I'll grab the delivery note.
Check what they brought.
3 items listed here.
Compare with the purchase order.
Give me a second. Yeah, same items.
Quantities match?
Looks like it. I'll double check the quantity.
Good. Let's open the truck.
Door is open.
First impression. How's the condition?
Most boxes are fine, but those in the back look wet.
That's not good.
Should we stop here?
Yeah. Pause unloading for a moment.
I'll call the supervisor.
Take a few photos too.
Already doing that.
Okay, we'll continue with the good goods first.
Got it.
Start unloading from the front.
I'll bring the forklift.
Watch the height. Those stacks are a bit unstable.
Yeah, I see that.
Move slowly.
Don't worry, I've got my safety equipment on.
Good.
First pallet coming down.
Put it in the checking area.
Done.
Let's count the quantity here.
1, 2, 3.
Match with the delivery note.
So far, it's correct.
Check the boxes again.
These are in good condition.
What about the wet ones?
I'll move them aside.
Yeah. Keep damaged goods separate.
Should I mark them?
Yes. Put a label for damage.
Okay, labeling now.
Now label the rest.
I'll do it quickly.
Make sure each box has a label.
Done.
Check the item code before scanning.
Code looks clear.
Go ahead and scan the barcode.
Scanning. Done.
Upload it to the warehouse system.
I'm entering the data now.
Double check before saving.
Yeah, I don't want mistakes in inventory.
Exactly.
Data looks correct.
Good. Let's move to storage area.
I'll take this pallet first.
Check the location in the system.
It says aisle 2, rack C.
That's on the left side.
I'm heading there.
Careful turning with the forklift.
Yeah, space is tight here.
Place it on the shelf.
Done.
Heavy items go on pallet below.
I'll adjust that.
Make sure the location is correct.
Let me check again. Yes, correct.
Update the inventory record.
Doing it now.
System matches?
Yes, inventory updated.
Good. What about the damaged boxes?
Still in the checking area.
Move them to a separate location.
The damage area?
Yes.
Moving them now.
Don't forget to update in the warehouse system.
I almost forgot. Thanks.
It happens.
Updated.
Let the supervisor know.
I'll send a message.
Another truck is coming soon.
Already? Busy day.
Yeah, better stay organized.
At least this one went smoothly.
You handled it well.
Thanks. I just follow the process.
The key is checking quantity and condition carefully.
And not rushing the system update.
Exactly.
Also keeping the right location.
That saves time later.
Ready for the next receiving goods.
Good. Let's keep it moving.
Let's do it.
Now you know how to handle receiving goods step by step. From checking the delivery note and quantity, to inspecting condition, labeling items, and updating the system, these are the small actions that keep everything running smoothly. Remember, clear communication and careful checking can prevent costly mistakes. Keep practicing these phrases, and try to use them in your daily work. In the next lesson, we'll continue with another real situation from the factory floor. See you there.